So, in Module 3, System Menus and Navigation Schemes, we saw about the structures of menu, and the next topic is all about the functions of menu. When it comes to the functions of menu, from user's perspective, a menu can be used to perform several functions. So, what are those functions? We will see. The first one is navigation to a new menu, execute an action or a procedure, display information, data or parameter input. So first we will see navigation to a new menu. Each user selection causes another menu in a hierarchical menu tree to be displayed. The purpose of each selection is to steer the user towards an objective or goal. Selection errors may lead to user down wrong path and cause time and perhaps navigation, but these errors are non-destructive and usually unaudible. Execute an action or a procedure. A user selection directs the computer to implement an action or perform a procedure. The action may be something like opening or closing a file or copying a text or sending a message. So proper procedure or an action, when we say action, the execution of those actions would be always opening or closing or copying or sending messages in a file. Now, when it comes to displaying information, the main purpose of selecting a menu choice may simply be to display the information. So, when you display the information, the user can understand it. The user may be searching for specific information in database or browsing the web. The user will focus primarily on the information which is desired or less on the selection function. The content, material and the user interest will determine the path that will be followed. Next, in system menus and navigation, we will see the contents of menu. The content of menu, it means that what is the description or what is the content that we will have when it comes to menus. So the elements of these content menus will be the context, the title, the description and complete instruction. So when it comes to context, it means that it will provide the information to user in order to have certain things that you will understand. This kind of information is critical in complex or hierarchical menu system where loss of position or distortion can easily occur. Feedback is necessary that tells user where they are in the process, what is their past choices and possibly how much further they still have to navigate. So when it comes to menu context, these are all important. Next is menu title. When it comes to menu title, it's just that your title will say what is your choice and what it is displaying. A menu title provides the context for the current set of choices. The title must reflect the title must reflect the choice selected on previously displayed name. So that connection should be must. Next is choice description. When it comes to choice description, these are the alternatives which is available for the user. These description can range from numeric or alphabetic on listing the choices to single words or phrases to full sentences. The style chosen will reflect the experience of the user, the nature of the choice, the learned alternatives, the nature of the selection mechanism, and the nature of the system. Next, the complete instruction. When it comes to complete instructions, it will tell how the users to indicate their choices. They may include the rationale for why the user is being asked to make this choice, and the impact of the choice will have the subsequent process. Next is data or parameter input. Each selection specifies a piece of input data for the system or provides a parameter value. Data or values may be input on a single menu or spread over hierarchies of menu. The user focuses is primarily on the information which is being provided and again less on the selection function. So this was all about the content of menu. So next we will be seeing the format formatting of menu. When it comes to formatting, we will see the consistency, display, presentation, organization, complexity, items arrangement, and grouping. So this formatting menu is one of the important concept and one of the important question which is often asked in previous year question paper, and also this is one of the important question in the exam point of view.